having a great day. I have these palettes by Makeup Revolution called Forever Flawless. To begin with, what I like about these Forever Flawless palettes is the packaging. You guys, how cute is that? Marble inspiration, lighter, darker, and then this space inspired packaging. All super beautiful. Another thing what I like that is actually metal, and it has this super soft close. This is all magnet. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful colors. It's kind of a mixture. You have mattes, you have shimmers, pressed pigment and all. I think from all the palette, I might like this one the most because of the color scheme. It's very natural, yet you can create loads of evening looks with this. Okay, another one that we have in here is this space-inspired constellation palette. Oh my god, look at the colors. Let's just quickly switch this one. Oh my god, look at that pigment! I wasn't expecting that. Okay, I want to switch more colors now. Absolutely love this. Okay, another palette, beautiful, beautiful package. All this packaging is just wow. It's all the super natural and nude colors. Looks like an autumn in a palette. A limited daytime looks for sure, and nighttime looks because you have all these colors and shimmers. Okay, so the last one that I have in here is called Optimum. This palette is the darkest of all the palettes that we got in here. For me, this is more of a like winter time looks and evening. Although you still can go and create some, you know, natural look and daytime looks. And once again, it's a mixture of the matte colors and the shimmer. I think today, let's create a makeup look using this Forever Flawless Constellation palette. To start with, I'm gonna go with a color called Jupiter. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this as my transition color. So I'm gonna go in kind of like a C shape, starting on the outer corner of the eye and dragging higher than my pieces, where is my orbital bone. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and blending the shadow we just applied. While we are in this Jupiter color, I'm gonna use the same brush and go on the lower lash line on the outer corner and what's left drag to the middle. Once again, taking a fluffy brush and blending the shadow we just applied. We're gonna add a little bit of a darker shade on the outer corners, and for that we're gonna use the color Cosmic. I'm applying it only on the outer corners in kind of like a L shape. And what's left on the brush I'm adding on the outer corners on the lower lash line. Taking a fluffier brush once again and blending everything inwards. Nothing outwards, just inwards. So I want the outer corners to be even darker, so I'm going to add a color called Retrograde. And I'm adding it with a small dense brush only on the outer corners, and then taking the fluffier brush and blending everything inwards once again. So next thing I'm doing, I'm taking this light beige color called Asteroid, and I'm going to apply it in an inner eye corner and on the mobile lid, basically where we haven't applied any eyeshadow. I'm going to top it up with a color called Solar. Starting with the Asteroid in the inner eye corner and mobile lid, and then blending it out with a brush, and then taking the Solar glittery yellow color and pressing on the top of where we applied this beige color, and blending with that brush obviously, and then adding a little bit more on the inner eye corner. I really want to add a little bit of a blue color, so I'm gonna go with the color called Neptune, the one that we swatched before. I'm taking the eyeliner brush by Real Techniques. As you see, I start in the inner eye corner very close to the lash line, and then I'm moving on the outer corner and eventually to the wing, but I'm thickening the line as I go. So what's left on the brush, I'm adding on the lower lash line outer corner very close to the lash line. And then what's left, drag into the middle and taking the fluffier brush I used before to blend the colors together. So the eyeliner is on, so next thing what I'm doing, I'm taking the same blending brush I used before, blending the outer corner of the spring that we draw together with the eyeshadow, because I don't want it to be super sharp. So what's left to do is apply the mascara and some falsies, and we're done with this eye makeup look. So for the mascara, I'm gonna go with NYX Point of the Rise mascara, and for the falsies with Ardell Magnetic Accents. And the makeup look is complete. Probably noticed I changed my lipstick as well. Before I had NYX liquid lipstick in a lingerie in the color Ruffle trim, and now I changed to the color Glacier, as I feel like this is more cool tone and kind of matches the eye look better rather than this warmer tone one. So yeah, what do you guys think of this makeup look? So Forever Flawless eyeshadow, the one in a constellation, because this is the one I use, is super pigmented, as you guys seen. Really easy to use, and there was no fallouts. It doesn't happen often, and I do have a heavy hand. I think I mentioned that in all my videos that I'm doing. I do have a very heavy hand, and I always, well at least mostly, do get fallouts. So that's why I usually don't wear any foundation prior applying the eyeshadow. But this time I had no fallouts whatsoever, and I used, you know, darker colors as well. So humongous thumbs up for this eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, the Forever Flawless Constellation. And the other three palettes, it's just so heavy. Because it's a metal packaging, so all the palettes are really heavy. By the way, I forgot to mention that all the palettes look super amazing. I created the makeup look only with this one. If you would like me to create makeup looks using these ones, leave a comment down below and let me know which one you prefer, or should I do all, and what you think of this eye makeup look. It was super easy to create, by the way, as you see it. So as I mentioned, a humongous thumbs up from me for this Revolution palettes, at least the one that I tried, because it's definitely pigmented. Oh my god, you guys, a little goes a lot. I really do hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more, and I shall see you very soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Ciao for now, guys. Have a good day.